Hi, this is Zach Keeping for SSW here, and welcome to the sprint review for SSW Awards Sprint 57. So let's jump right in. Yep, so for this sprint, we had two sprint goals. The first one being to get the activity feed checked in and then with a video, done video to show that off. That's still in progress. That's just waiting approval, and then I'll need to do the video for that. But code-wise, it's mostly done, but hopefully get that done before the next sprint. And the next one was to get the mobile notifications UX improvements all done with the video, and that's all done by JK, so that's good. Like I said, this was sprint 57. This went over about 2 weeks because had some scheduling issues, but yep, so that was mostly me, and we had JK for a few days there. And these are the PBIs that got done on this sprint. So a lot not done, mostly because we just have some pending PRs there that just need to be finalized and merged in. So largely done, but just not complete enough to mark these as done. A couple ones of note are these two. So one was relocating the account deletions in the admin portal. So I'll just showcase that real quick. So previously we had in the admin portal just this account deletions approvals just kind of chucked into the side panel there, which is a bit too obvious, and the naming's a bit weird. But we've now moved that to a new settings page. This is a tabbed interface, so going forward we can add more things in here that we just want to tuck out of the way and not have so prominent in the admin portal. But yeah, this is a good sort of first step for that.
Yeah, that's nice.
Cool. And the next one was this one, the mobile notifications UX improvements. Would you like to speak about that one, JK?
Yes, so if you go to the SSW rewards page, or you can click on that. We have this one is already the existing page, but we had quite a bit of feedback on what to change and stuff like that. And all of the changes have been applied. And now we have at the very bottom, we have the YouTube video for the currently last version, which is V5 on YouTube. So you can watch it. It's 3 minutes long, and it shows you how the mobile notification feature works.
Nice. Yeah, well done. Yeah, all the UI looks a lot nicer,
Yeah.
and yeah, it's good to finally get this one sort of checked in and done.
Yeah, and now it looks like almost like a real iPhone.
Yeah,
the preview.
Right.
Yeah, it's
and it
yeah.
has been tested on iPad, iPhone, as well as tablet, a laptop. So it should scale fairly good.
Yeah,
Awesome.
cool. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, so that's done. What else? We had the update. The roadmap was updated by Hugo. That's
Yep.
That's all done. If you want
yeah, if you go to the website, then you can see the new roadmap there. And I think we could already update it again because we completed the upgrade to .NET 9. And well, we'll soon have the activity page with the SSW activity, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So yeah, I guess we'll be able to update the roadmap soon again. But now I have the right to do it, so it should be quicker next time.
Yeah, very nice. So yeah, now it's a bit less stuck in the past, so that's good.
Yep.
Cool. Another big one
Maybe
I should note is
Yeah.
that JK fixed up the cache handling for our deployments for the admin portal. So that's now dropped from, what do we say, like 40 minutes to about 15 overall.
So
like
it was 14 minutes per environment, which means that on a good day, which means that on average, from merging the pull request, the production took about 2 hours. Now it's closer to 15 minutes. So we nearly get 2 hours back for each deployment.
Nice. And part of that too was updating the splash or the homepage of the admin portal to something less boring.
Yes. Yeah, so the original page literally had hello Zachary and some debug values. Now it's looking nicer, and the main reason why I did that is, one, it looked pretty terrible, and two, I needed to make some changes between deployments so I can see that it actually works. So I decided to, make this page a lot more useful. And now it's a bit less embarrassing to start off done videos on the homepage than it was before.
Yeah, this is much nicer. Yeah, very happy with this. Cool. And as I said, a lot of these are mostly kind of functionally code-wise complete. We're just sort of waiting on the approvals for the PRs and some small changes here and there. But yeah, we've made a start to the tenant configuration, so getting the core of that kind of in there. I need to probably discuss this a bit more with JK to really plan out all the details of the requirements as we go forward. But we'll go over that probably on Monday.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's pretty much all the main things, unless anyone else wanted to any other comments?
All good.
All good. Cool. Moving on to the burn up. So yeah, sort of a bit of an uptick in the final kind of days. Yeah, but as I said, not a ton of done, so we're just kind of waiting for the items to be fully complete to get in, but hopefully the next sprint we can get those all merged in. The overall burn up, same as kind of usual, where we have a slight uptick, so it's slowly moving up, which is always good. It's in the right direction. Our stats for the past 30 days, we had 8 new PBIs. 7 of them were with the Yakshaver label, so 88%. That's very good. And we've completed 13 PBIs, so that's a net change of -5, so in the right direction. For our pipeline, we've had 0 production releases, 0 for the API. We've had 1 beta and test flight release, none for identity, and we've had 40 admin portal. A lot of the changes recently have been kind of focused on the admin side of things, or kind of internal plumbing. Application health, again, sort of same as usual. All the failed requests are just bot activity, nothing coming from our end. For the Firebase stats, we've had 0 crashes on iOS, which is nice. But on Android, we'd have 1 weird crash. I just noticed that today, so I've created a new PBI to investigate this. So I'll look into this for the next sprint. Seems to be a one-off. I don't see any other reports for that bug. So yeah, we'll see what we see when we dig into that. Copilot stats. So we don't have this just yet, but before I send out this email, we'll make sure we put those in. So I'll mark these as to do for now. We didn't really do any experimental work for AI use. For me, it's been Copilot with Cold Sonnet 4.5 and Yakshaver, and for JK, sort of similar, Copilot with Opus 4.5 and Yakshaver. The retro, Hugo, would you like to go over these?
Yep, sure. So what went well? Well, we finally have the mobile notification UX done. Well, done, as in we have the video test passed by Adam, so that's a great thing. We also, as you said before, worked on getting the admin deployments down from 2 hours to about 15 minutes, which is great. And at the same time, we made the homepage look much nicer, so that's great. What didn't go so well? We have many PRs blocked because well, Zach, you're mostly working on this alone, and no one is available to review your PRs. So that's something we should get to improve next sprint. Try to get more time with JK and get your PRs merged in. That's basically what needs to be improved. So yeah, that's about it.
All right, cool.
Yeah, I had a bit of PR reading list of 4 different projects that I needed to go through, so apologies for that. And the improvements that I suggested was that Zach and I can have like a dedicated 15 minutes every now and then just to review the pull request, because I don't have to then type things. We can just quickly go through things together.
Yeah, that sounds good. Yeah, you're always so busy, JK, so it's always nice to get some of your time.
No worries. We'll carve out some time.
Yeah, sounds good. Any other comments or anything about this? Or
I think we're good to go.
cool. So that concludes the sprint review, and I will just move on to planning. So this is the forecast for Sprint 58. We've set 2 sprint goals. So from the top, we have get the activity feed PBI merged, and then get the done video out. And for the second one, just improving, adding some leaderboard enhancements, so how we display it and handle the refreshing. So hopefully we can get JK to work on that. Sprint duration be about a week. The next one should be, we're hoping for Monday, so I think that should be the 9th.
And that's 9th, yes.
Yeah, 9th of February. Just over a week. And yeah, these are our PBIs. Again, just the main ones we mentioned before, and a lot of these, some are just carried over to hopefully get merged in and work on some of this tenant configuration stuff. Yeah, so we're still waiting on Copilot summaries, but I'll also add this to the email before I send it.
Right.
Anything else you guys want to add?
All good for me.
Good from
Okay.
my end as well.
All right, great. So that concludes the Sprint 58 forecast and also the Sprint 57 review for SW Awards. So this video will be uploaded to the SW Awards YouTube channel, so you can see all our past review summaries and also just videos we upload here and there. And with that, yeah, thanks for joining, and I'll see you in the next one.
Cheers.
Cheers.